With the new year rolling in, there will be many resolutions around weight and weight loss. And if you are someone who intends to lose weight, there are a few things to keep in mind. Many people begin their journey to get rid of excessive fat, but quit midway because they do not see any noticeable difference. That is because losing weight, especially around the belly region, requires special care and dedication. March into the new year armed with these health facts. Watch this complete video. Tip number 1: Get enough sleep. Stress is linked to the storage of fat in the body. If you are genuinely interested in losing the very last layer of fat, dedicate at least 7 hours of sleep to yourself every night. Sleeping ensures the breakdown of stress and the upkeep of health. Contrarily, if you do not get to the bed at a designated hour every night, you may risk gaining more weight. Tip number 2: Be mindful of what you eat. Pay attention to what you eat and be present. Some people believe this to be a weight loss mechanism, because when you are mindful, you focus on every bite and every nibble, thereby consuming significantly less calories. Also chew slowly and enjoy your food. Tip number 3: Take the stairs. If you do not have the time to keep aside a few hours every day for a workout session, try doing it whenever you can. If your house is on the 3rd or 4th floor, take the stairs. Walk whenever you can. These kind of simple exercises can help you burn calories and keep your heart and lungs strong. Tip number 4: Don't take a late dinner. Respect meal times. The body's metabolic rate slows down at night, leading to storage of fat. Also, when you have dinner early, you get more time to burn the calories before you hit the bed. Additionally, avoid foods that are high in carbohydrates at night. Tip number 5: Don't eat at your desk. Seriously, don't. Grow out of this habit. It is understandable that your workload may force you to stay glued to your chair, but it does not do anything for your waistline. If anything, it keeps you distracted and occupied, and you may end up eating more than you should. Tip number 6: Don't skip meals. If you think you are going to lose your weight by skipping meals, you are wrong. That is because it makes you feel famished and then you end up eating more food, in fact double than normal. How will this help you lose belly fat? According to a study published in the American Journal of Epidemiology, people who skip their morning meal are 4.5 times more likely to be obese. Tip number 7: Cut down on alcohol. Know that beer belly is real. According to a report in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, drinking alcohol can cause people to eat an extra 384 calories a day. Thank you for watching this video. To get more awesome and fact-related videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.